Welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to be discussing the top 7 weight loss hacks you wish you knew sooner. These tips and tricks will help you shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy lifestyle. So, let's dive right in. 1. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular weight loss strategy that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This technique can help you consume fewer calories and boost your metabolism, leading to weight loss. There are various methods of intermittent fasting, such as the 16-8 method, the 5-2 method, and the eat-stop-eat approach. Each method has its own benefits, and you can choose the one that suits your lifestyle best. Remember to consult with your doctor before starting any fasting regimen to ensure it's safe for you. 2. Drink green tea. Green tea is well known for its numerous health benefits, including weight loss. It contains antioxidants called catechins, which can help increase your metabolism and aid in burning fat. Drinking green tea also helps you stay hydrated, which is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Aim to drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily to maximize its weight loss benefits. You can also try adding a squeeze of lemon or a bit of honey for added flavor. 3. Prioritize protein. Protein is essential for weight loss, as it helps you feel fuller for longer periods of time and reduces your overall calorie intake. Consuming protein-rich foods can also boost your metabolism and maintain muscle mass. Good sources of protein include lean meat, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and nuts. Try to incorporate protein into every meal to ensure you're getting enough throughout the day. 4. Mindful eating. Mindful eating is the practice of paying full attention to your eating habits and the sensations you experience while eating. This can help you recognize when you're full, decrease emotional eating, and prevent overeating. To practice mindful eating, start by eating slowly and eliminating distractions, such as your phone or TV. Take the time to savor every bite, and listen to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Mindful eating can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and support your weight loss goals. 5. Sleep more, stress less. Getting adequate sleep and managing stress are essential for weight loss. Lack of sleep and high stress levels can lead to hormonal imbalances, which can cause weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. You can also try creating a relaxing bedtime routine and making your sleep environment more comfortable to promote better sleep. 6. Use smaller plates. Using smaller plates can help you control portion sizes and consume fewer calories. Research shows that people tend to eat more when they use larger plates, as it can be difficult to judge portion sizes. Switch to smaller plates and bowls for an easy way to control your portions and lose weight. You can also try the half-plate rule, where you fill half your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with whole grains. This can help ensure you're eating a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. 7. Track your food intake. Keeping track of what you eat can help you identify patterns and make better food choices. Use a food diary or a smartphone app to log your meals, snacks, and beverages. This practice can help you stay accountable and give you a clear understanding of your eating habits, which can lead to weight loss. Additionally, tracking your food intake can help you identify any nutritional gaps in your diet and ensure that you're getting all the essential nutrients you need to stay healthy. Bonus tip: stay active. In addition to these weight loss hacks, staying active is crucial for shedding pounds and maintaining a healthy weight. Aim to get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise each week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days per week. That's it for today's video on the top 7 weight loss hacks you wish you knew sooner. Give these tips a try and let us know in the comments section below how they've helped you on your weight loss journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.